Hey Year 5. So we looked at yesterday at your bus stop method and recapping that method. We're going to apply it to word problems today. Now I haven't put a starter on today because I've put some simple one-step division problems to start. Okay, so these shouldn't have a remainder. I think I've checked them all. And these are literally just recap questions from what you had yesterday. So I've just put that sheet up there that you can see. So these 8 questions you're going to do first is kind of your starter slash recap for bus stop method. Okay. What is a little bit challenging today and why I wanted to show you was this one. We've done these before in class where I've split them up into 2 parts, but I just want to go through the first one with you. So there's 5 questions there, so these are the 5 tricky ones. So these are 2-step. So I've put first part and second part so that you can see clearly where you need to do those 2 parts. So we'll read through the first one, we'll do that together. So 125 girls and 118 boys go on a school trip. Each adult can be responsible for a maximum of 9 children. How many adults are needed? Okay, so with all of these, our second part is going to be the dividing. But you need to work out what you need to do first. So we need to work out how many children are there all together. So when we hear that word all together, hopefully we should be thinking that that means we're adding. So we've got to work out, right, what am I doing with the girls and boys? So I need to find out how many children there are all together before I can divide them by 9 so I can see how many adults I need. So what are we going to do with these 2 numbers? In this first part, we are going to add them to find out our whole amount. Then the answer is going to come into your second part, and you are going to be dividing that by 9 to see how many adults are needed for the trip. Okay, so with all of these, this first part is going to be a different operation. So it might be multiplying, it might be taking away, or it might be adding. Okay, but then your second part is going to be dividing. So you need to work out what you're doing with those 3 different numbers that are within your word problem. Okay, so it's just 5 of those. So have a really good try. We've worked through like this before in class. We've broken it up into these 2, first part and second part. So have a go at those, and remember to check online later if you need some help. Okay, because there will be an adult on there to help as well. Okay, good luck with those. Well done.